Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money with Mindsumo by only copy and paste. So this is going to be step-by-step tutorial for Mindsumo, and this is also going to be a Mindsumo review video. So if you are interested to make money with Mindsumo, be sure to stick around until the end of this video, right? So before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I'll talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. And consider smash the like button if you like this video, because it does help my algorithm, right? So Mindsumo is the innovative ideas for company, so that a lot of company actually they're going to ask a question in Mindsumo because they want some people like you and me who can share some knowledge, some ideas to their any particular question or any particular thing that they want to have, so they can get a lot of ideas, and in order to improve the company, or in order to get some idea for their company, right? So delivering innovative ideas to the world's top brand. As you can see, this is all the brands that have worked with Mindsumo. So pretty sure Mindsumo is a very established company. As you can see, this is all the big brands like Pepsi, Avon, Nestle, Coca-Cola, or even Facebook itself, right? So this is pretty legit company where you can rely on to make money with Mindsumo. So if you scroll down, you can see a bunch of challenges and questions that you can be participate with. So you can scroll down and you can see a bunch of questions that you can make money online with, okay? And of course, it is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money. There's no investment needed, or you don't even need to pull out your credit card. There's no credit card information needed as well. So it is 100% free. So how to start with Mindsumo? Be sure to click the sign up button here, and then click done. You don't have any account yet, and then you're going to land over to this site. So be sure to put your first name, your last name, and all the details that need here. And also make sure you put your active email address, because all the projects and challenges, they're going to be sent through your email address, right? So I want you to pay attention to these creativity skills here. So in order to get the most high paying task or challenge, you need to be sure to at least average proficiency, okay? So just put average proficiency for all of the technical skill, marketing skill, and creative skills, so that you're going to be able to get the job or the task that paying the most, okay? So and then be sure to put everything in, and then just tick all this box here, and then click I'm not a robot, and then click sign up. So it is very simple, okay? So what I'm going to go through now, so let's take a look at the leaderboard here, right? So you type in leader. So on the leaderboard, you're going to be able to see all the problem solver that have made a lot of money with Mindsumo. So take a look at Matthew Gracer here. He has made 23 grand already. So this guy is at number 2, 9 grand, and this one 7 grand. So this is all people who are making a lot of money with Mindsumo, or maybe they are just doing it part-time. All right, so this is very powerful, by considering what you need to do is just simply copy and paste, which is I'm about to reveal to you just a minute. So be sure to stick around, right? So this is all the people are making money with Mindsumo. So as you can tell, this is established company, and you can rely on Mindsumo to make money online, right? So let's go back to the Mindsumo, and let's take a look at all the challenges. So as you can see, this is all the challenges. So there are a couple of ways. Actually, there are 2 ways on how to be participate, and how to come up with a very powerful ideas. The most recommended, which is number 1, I highly recommend you to only choose the thing or the challenge that you have knowledge, or you have skill, or maybe you are currently working on any particular subject, right? For example, is what is the future of grocery retail? So if you have knowledge, or if you're currently working with this environment, you might be able to come up with a very powerful solution, and you might be able to give them a very high valuable answer, okay? So that is why I highly recommend you to go with something that you have knowledge about, you have skill, or maybe some experience about it. All right, for example, this one, help us create your ideal skincare experience. So if you are someone that really love to take care of your skincare, you might have some knowledge and skill about this particular topic. So that is when you're going to be able to come up with a very great idea, and then ultimately you're going to be able to help the company to get the idea, right? So that is number one. Okay, so number two is let's take a look at this one over here. I'm going to click on the challenge, and we can go through first what is this challenge all about. Okay, the most snaking option available today than ever before trend and blah 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 blah. Okay, you can see all the deliverables here. Please answer the following. So it has 4 points that you're gonna need to address to. So what factors do you think of while purchasing snack, blah blah blah, when you think snaking, and you can go through all the points. This is also very important in order to make sure you're going to be able to win the task or the challenge. Okay, so 10 winners will be received 50 buck each, and the rest 20 winners going to be received $15. Okay, so what you can do here, if you don't have any experience or skill about the related question here, and what you can do is simply highlight all this question and then copy it off to Google and simply paste it here. Okay, so we're going to be doing some research on Google. Okay, for example, like this is from the Mindsumo itself. What is the next trend is snacking? So click one of the articles here, and maybe you want to take a look at this one as well. So what are you going to be doing is simply go through the article, right? So you can go as many as possible in this article. The more article you go through, the more powerful or the more valuable your answer going to be. Okay, so you need to be sure, you need to set your mindset that you're gonna need to deliver as much value as possible. All right, because only by delivering value, all the company from Mindsumo going to see your idea, and your answer is the most valuable answer. Okay, so you can go through all this website, for example, like this one perhaps. So this is the trend number one, a more proactive approach to nurturing the body and mind, and you can go through one by one and consume all the articles. And it is not necessarily to get all the article from one website. What I highly recommend you is just go through one by one of the result on the Google here, and then maybe you're going to take five article here, or 5 points here, or maybe you're going to get 2 point here, for example, like, and maybe you want to take one trend number one, a more productive approach to nurturing the body and mind, and then you're going to take maybe point number 2 from this website, and from point number 3 and point number 4 from other website. Right, so what you can do, just go to Google Docs. Okay, Google Doc, and then open a new blank document, and then just copy and paste all the article from Google. Okay, so be sure that you will not literally copy and paste, and the most important thing is you want to add value, right? So be sure you're going to add some your personal thought, some your ideas, your own ideas, to make it way more compelling, right? So this is going to be point number 2. Okay, maybe I put it here, number 1, and just simply copy and paste the article, and then maybe we're going to take this trendy number 2 here. Oops. Okay, maybe I'm going to copy this one. Click copy and paste it here. So this one would be number 2. Paste number. Okay, and then I'm going to type in number 2, and maybe this is the point number 3. I couldn't find any article here. Okay, so you got the idea, right? So that is how you're going to gather all the ideas that are available on Google by only copy and paste. Okay, so that's number 1, which is you can get a lot of ideas from Google. Another cool way on how to do this is by go to Quora, right? Go to Quora. So for information, Quora is actually a question and answer based platform. So what you're gonna need to do, just go back to any particular challenge or any particular question you want to get answer from. So just copy everything here, and then paste on Quora, right? So you're going to be able to see bunch of answer related to the question that you would like to know. Okay, what is the next trendy snaking product? So the best part about Quora, there are a lot, or you could find a lot of answer. I mean, a lot of high quality answer on Quora. For example, what is the next trendy? This is the exact question that we are asking here, And then you can also take a look at this one, and then you can see bunch of question, a bunch of answer that available here, right? I couldn't find it here, maybe this one. All right, cool. So it has 2 answers here, but you can go more deeper. For example, like trendy, what is the next trendy product? And as you can see here, there are so many more here. Okay, what is some of your favorite restaurant in New York City? How can I desperately lose weight? That's not really related, but you got the idea, right? So maybe you can find another question on Mindsumo to get answered from Quora. Okay, what's some favorite restaurant in New York? Okay, so but you got the idea, right? I hope you understand what I'm trying to deliver here. So that are 2 ways on how to get your question or your challenges and to deliver on Mindsumo, okay, by only copy and paste answer from Google and from Quora. So be sure to add value, be sure to add your personal thought about any related challenge that you want to participate with. Okay, so guys, I hope you get some ideas, and I hope you take action right after finish watching this video. And don't forget to like this video because it does help my algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.